Sometimes, when doubts or selfish thoughts enter our mind, we forget the value of true friendship. A small lie or doubt can break strong bonds. This story of the lion and the three bulls teaches us how dangerous it is to lose trust and unity. A long time ago, there was a big green forest. Many animals lived there: deer, monkeys, elephants, rabbits, and many colorful birds. In the middle of the forest, there was a big open grass field. Three bulls lived there, one white, one black, and one brown. The three bulls were very good friends. They always stayed together, ate together, and helped each other. When any wild animal tried to trouble them, the three bulls stood together and scared the enemy away. All the animals of the forest respected their friendship and unity. But there was also a clever and strong lion in the same forest. He was the king of the jungle, but because of the three bulls, he could not hunt near that grass field. He tried many times, but whenever he came close, the three bulls fought together and the lion had to run away. One day, the lion thought, "As long as these three stay together, I can never win. I must separate them first." He made a clever plan. First, he went to the brown bull and said softly, "Friend, do you know that the white bull laughs at you? He says your color looks dirty." The brown bull felt sad and a little angry, but he did not say anything. A doubt started to grow in his heart. Then the lion went to the white bull and said, "The brown and black bulls think you are weak. They don't trust you." Little by little, the lion's lies filled their hearts with anger and doubt. Now the three friends stopped talking much. Earlier they used to eat grass together, but now each one went to a different side of the field. The lion got his chance. He attacked the brown bull first. The poor bull cried for help, but his friends were far away. No one came to save him. The lion killed him easily. The next day, the lion attacked the white bull. He too was alone, and the lion killed him as well. At last, only the black bull was left. He had no friend now. After a few days, the lion attacked him too and killed him. Now the grass field became silent. The happy sound of the three friends was gone. Only the lion's roar could be heard. The other animals of the forest felt very sad. They understood that if the three bulls had stayed united, the lion could never have harmed them.